Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily make a Vacoded video in CapCut video editor. Alright, tap on your project, select your video you want to edit, and I'm going to select my project. So I have added one video here. And how to make a Vacoded video in CapCut. You are just going to go to effect, select video effect, and you can select for the neon outline. Alright, here's
yang terkuatlah yang bertahan.
For the intensity,
Yang terkuatlah.
check marks. Just for the duration in the same length with the video, and you are just going to select audio and select effect. Sorry, you can select the clip and select voice effect, and then select the synth. And here we go, this is the final effect. Yeah, that's final effect you'll have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.